The Escalante Massacre and Edgar Hobson. The struggle for labor rights and social justice in the Philippines has been marked by significant events and influential leaders who fought for the welfare of workers and the marginalized. Two important narratives that highlight these struggles are the Escalante Massacre of 1985 and the life of labor leader Edgar Hobson. The Escalante Massacre reflects the harsh realities of labor oppression and the government repression during the Marcos dictatorship, while Edgar activism demonstrates the commitment and sacrifices made by those who stood against tyranny and exploitation. Together, these stories shed light on the fight for human rights, fair labor, and democratic freedoms in the Philippines. I will discuss about background, key events, violation of labor and human rights, labor leader Edgar Ejop Hobson, video presentation, analysis, and reflection. The Escalante Massacre took place on September 20, 1985 in Escalante, Negros Occidental. This tragic event occurred during a period when sugar workers, farmers, and activists were facing severe labor exploitation, landless, and human rights violation under the Marcos dictatorship. In response, they organized a large protest as part of the Huelga ng Bayan, or People's Strike, a movement that sought to denounce the oppressive regime and demand social justice. Around 5,000 protesters gathered peacefully calling for fair wages and land reform. Despite the peaceful nature of the demonstration, government forces, including paramilitary and military personnel, opened fire on the crowd. The violent dispersal led to the death of at least 20 protesters and left dozens injured. Suppression of peaceful protest. The government ignored the right to peaceful assembly, using violence to crush the labor movement. Labor and land injustice. The underlying issues are unjust wages, landless, and exploitation remain unresolved, forcing workers to stay in poverty. Lack of accountability. Despite the gravity of the incident, no proper punishment was given to the perpetrators. They highlight a culture of impunity during the dictatorship. The Escalante massacre became a symbol of the extreme measures and the Marcos regime would take to silence dissent and maintain control, further fueling the call for democracy and justice in the country. Edgar Ejop Hobson was a prominent student activist and labor leader who became a significant figure in the anti-Marcos resistance. Beginning his activism as the president of the National Union of Students of the Philippines (NUSP), Hobson later joined underground movements dedicated to supporting the rights of workers and farmers. His advocacy was driven by a vision of a just society where laborers would be treated with dignity and fairness. His role in labor rights and activism. Hobson advocated for fair wages and job security, highlighting the need for better working conditions. He exposed labor abuse in factories and haciendas, especially in areas like Negros and Manila, where workers were subjected to harsh conditions. Hobson boldly criticized the Marcos regime, especially its martial law policies that curtailed freedoms and suppressed labor movements. His resistance made him a target for government repression. His death. In 1982, Edgar Hobson was killed by the military during an operation against activists in Davao City. His assassination represents the regime's ruthless campaign to silence labor leaders and activists who challenged the status quo. Hobson's death, however, did not end his legacy. He remains a symbol of dedication to democracy, social justice, and human rights in the Philippines.
Ang mga nabiktima sa Escalante Massacre, magdamag ka sa mga
Dakilang manlilikha, narito po ako. Bunga ng pag-ibig sa palad ng mundo. Puso'y umaawit, awiting alay ko. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa araw, sa buwan at bituin, sa hayop at halaman, sa ulan at hangin. Salamat sa kaibigan at sa kapwa-tao ko. Salamat sa inyo. Bawat sandali ng buhay ay ligaya. Bawat hininga ay tunay na biyaya. Bawat pagsisikap ay may gantimpala. Dakilang manlilikha, narito po ako. Bunga
Labor issues in the 1980s. Workers faced landless, low wages, and union suppression. Sugar workers in Negros were trapped in poverty due to unfair labor conditions and lack of land reform. Escalante Massacre and Sugar Workers Struggle. The massacre exposed government-backed violence against labor movements. Instead of addressing workers' demands, the state used force to silence them, showing the deep-rooted exploitation in the sugar industry. Connection to Edgar Jobson. Jobson fought for fair wages, job security, and labor rights, opposing the same injustice that led to the massacre. His activism linked labor struggles to the broader fight for democracy against the Marcos regime. Relevance today. The issues behind the massacre, the wages, labor exploitation, and government repression still exist. Workers continue to face unsafe conditions, union busting, and violence. Jobson's inspiration is dedication to workers' rights. Grassroots organizing and resistance against oppression motivates modern activities to fight for fair labor conditions, proving that collective action is the key to change.